So this is what the structure. Okay, one machine. Okay, here. So the first machine is for UI. HM means Autonomous Sambari. This is the for UI, and these are the 4 nodes I have taken. And again, okay, if you have 64 GB RAM, guys, okay, you go like this, and okay, if you have only 32 GB RAM, you can go like this, and okay, if you have 16 GB RAM, okay, you can go with like this 3 GB. Fine, understood. Okay, so this is how okay you can go with. Okay. Okay, so as usual, okay, so what I've done is, okay, so early morning I woke up and okay, I've created the VMs, Autonomous VMs. Understand? I've cloned the same machine. I've cloned the same base VM. Okay, like HM, HN1, HN2, HN3, HN4, and okay, I have created what I can say. I've created. I cloned the VMs. Then okay, I've set up the static IP. And okay, this is the static IP. These are the static IPs okay, which I'm using for this one. Okay. So 121 series, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125 series. Understand? Okay. So now what I will do. So as usual, okay, create passwordless SSH. Okay. So this is again okay. So in real time it is not required. Okay. In real time. Again, this is optional. Yesterday we have discussed, right? Okay. So this step is optional in real time, and this is required only to run clutch commands. Understand? Huh? Understand this? Only to run clutch commands. Okay. No, these are okay. So I'm creating passwordless from Autonomous machine, Ambari machine to all other machines. Okay. Then I'm creating the clutch groups. Okay. So these are the this is the machine where I'll be installing Ambari. This is the machine where I will be installing okay name nodes, data nodes, okay, zookeepers and general nodes, okay, and processing layer. Okay, so this is the two RMs, one job history server. Okay, all. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing now. Okay, so now if we see class, I can alt it. Yes. Okay, luckily all are showing the same date time. Configure and TPD. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm making okay first machine. Okay, 121 to listen from internet and okay, from other machines okay to listen 121 machine. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. As usual, these steps we all know. Okay, after that, okay, so restart the NTPD and all. NTPD service, you need to restart. Okay, so network also restarted. Yes. Okay. Now download all the required RPMs and repo files. Okay, so here okay, I have given all the RPMs. Okay, so Hadoop stuff to Autonomous 3.1.0. Okay, so from you can download from Google Drive. Okay, you can download from Google Drive. So here okay, stuff to Hortonworks 2.3.1.0. This is the one okay, which you need to download. Okay, you can download. So I've already downloaded this one. When I download this one, okay, so I got a 4 tar balls. Hortonworks software will come into 4 tar balls. Understand? Okay. And okay, Hortonworks software is very big software. If you see this directory itself, it comes like 7 GB software. Okay. So now what I'm doing, I'm unzipping all those things, guys. Okay. Here, if you see, all are tar balls, it means zip files. Okay. I'm just unzipping all these things. So unzipping itself will take some time.
Sir, this 3.1.0.0 only we need to push, correct, sir?
Sorry? This is
Which
the
version?
latest, sir. Latest.
Okay, sir.
Stopped releasing new versions actually because there's no no more hot and works, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So I extracted all those things. Okay, once the extraction is completed, okay, I've removed the old ones. Okay, the tarballs I removed. Okay. So now what I'm doing, okay, I'm going to create a repo file now. Okay. So these are the repo files which I'm creating, and these repo files will be pointing to those softwares. Okay, there are 4 softwares. So you need to create 4 repo files, 4 different ones, right? If you see here, okay, so this is Ambari UI softwares, okay, STP software, STP GPL software, and a utility software. So for each one, I need to create one separate this one. But if you see Cloudera software, everything will come in one directory. Okay, so there, okay, no need to do anything. But here, since everything is coming in a separate directory, we need to create separate what to say, separate repo files. Okay, can we try? Okay, so I guess, yeah, let's go with the pen. Let's not. So this is the STP repo. This is STP utils repo. GPL repo. Yes. Okay. So we created total repo files. Okay. Inside this repo files, okay, we have given inside this repo files. Okay, we have given complete 121 path. We didn't give an internet path because, okay, we cannot download directly from internet and install here. Got it? Okay. So now check the repo files whether they are available or not, whether they are created successfully or not. Yes. So here, okay, Ambari repo, and okay, STP GPL repo, STP repo, and STP utils repo. Okay, so these are the ones, okay, which we have. Okay, so we can remove these two actually. Okay, it's a little bit not a problem. Okay, now copy these RPMs. Okay, STP RPMs to no, not RPMs, repo file, STP repo file. To all other machines. Copy this repo file to all other machines. I'm pushing this HTTP repo file, GPL, okay, STP repo, STP utils repo to all other machines. Okay, good. Now, okay, list Ambari server. Now, okay, I'm going to install UI as usual. Okay, even in Cloudera also, first we install UI. Okay, here also we'll be installing UI only. Yes. Okay. Now I can install Ambari server. Okay. I'm installing Ambari server. Okay. So if you see here, this is installing Ambari server. Okay. Now if you see here, what is okay, this is installed now. Okay. This is installed. Ambari server is installed. Okay. What next? Okay, so it is successfully installed Ambari server. Okay, but to run this Ambari server, we need to set up backend RDBMS also. You remember in Cloudera also, we opened the backend RDBMS and we created some default databases. So here also, I'm doing the same thing. Okay, in the same machine in HAMS network. Okay, I'm starting the MySQL because okay, enable MySQL. Okay, HAMS.
Sir,
Okay.
but means just a general question. Sir, MySQL is enough, yes, but why Postgres also we
No, at times it will ask
don't?
for some Postgres libraries also. It expects actually. Okay, you
Okay,
know why?
okay,
Because okay, so the Cloudera Hortonworks, they support MySQL, Postgres, and Oracle, all three. Okay,
okay, okay, sir.
so okay, we don't know what one we use, right? So that is the reason it is checking. Doesn't mean that okay,
Oh, okay.
it is stopping if they are not available. Got it?
Got it, sir. Okay, so anyone we can use, but
Yes,
it is checking libraries. Yeah, got it,
yes.
sir. Thank
Whether available or not. Okay. So now once this is ready, I'm just opening the. I'm going to MySQL prompt. Okay. So here, okay, let's check show databases. Okay, so now I have only 4 databases. This is empty MySQL instance actually. Now I'm creating Ambari database. Hmm. Okay, so these are the databases. Okay, so now I'm creating Ambari database, Scoop database, Hive database. 3 databases I'm creating. Okay, and I'm creating along with users also. Now you see after creating this one, okay, now you have 7 databases. Okay, we created Ambari database, Hive database, and Scoop database. Okay, earlier 4 databases were there. Total 7 databases. Okay, plus control D. Okay, quit MySQL prompt. Okay, now okay, so we set up this RDBMS also now. We set up this RDBMS also. This is also done. But did I create the link between these two? Not yet. Okay. Now we need to create a link between these two. Okay. How to create a link between these two? So by executing the setup command, Ambari server setup command. Okay. So first again, so this one, then so sudo Ambari server setup. Okay. So when you run this command, it is asking you want to customize the account for Ambari server daemon, not required. Okay, so enable Ambari to download install GPL packages. Yes. Okay, and enter advanced database configuration. Yes. Okay. So you see now how many databases it is supporting backend databases. Okay, so since it is supporting so many things, okay, it expects some libraries. Understood? Okay, but okay, in our example, we are giving MySQL. So let us give
you.
the
Yes, sir.
option 3. Okay, let us give option 3. Okay, now where this MySQL is running? Okay, so hm.hadoop.com. Which port number? Okay, it is the same port number 3306. Okay, what is the database name? Okay, so database name is Ambari only. Okay, what is username? Yes, we have given Ambari. Okay, and what is the password we have given? If you remember, okay, what is the password we have given here for Ambari? Big data 123. Understood? Big data 123. You need to provide that password here. Okay, re-enter password data 123. Okay, so now Ambari is existing Java connector. Yes. Okay, so yes. Okay, so whatever the points I have given. Okay, I have given you in the document also what you need to give. Okay, n. Okay, where to give y. Okay, what are the values you need to give 3. Okay, so all those things I have given. Okay, finally, so what it is saying before okay, before starting this one, it is giving one warning. Okay, before starting Ambari server, you must run the following DDL. Okay, this is the DDL you need to execute actually. Okay, so now here what we are doing, point the MySQL connected to this one. Okay, so this is already pointed, but however I'm doing again. Okay, now run Ambari server DL. Okay, this is what it is saying. I'm running the DL now. Okay, yes, done. Okay, so now, okay, now the connection between the database and the Ambari server is ready. I can start the Ambari server UI. Okay, now I'm starting the Ambari server UI. Okay, so Ambari server UI is very fast UI. Okay, because it is very small UI. Okay, so it will start immediately. But if you see Cloudera Manager will take some time to start. Okay, but Ambari server is very, very fast. Yes, done. It started successfully. Okay. Now, okay, so now what I can do? So here I will change this one HCM.Hadoop. Okay, so go to this link HCM.Hadoop. Yes, this is the Ambari UI. Again, okay, by default, it is asking some username and password. The default username and passwords are admin and admin. Both are same. Understood? Okay. Now you are here. Okay, now you are here. It is okay. So launch install cluster wizard. Launch. Create a cluster. And it is asking at the starting stage itself, what is your cluster name? Okay. So mine. So you should not be any spaces here. My dev cluster. Okay, I'm giving underscore here. My dev cluster. You can next. Now it is asking which version of Hortonworks you want to install. Okay, HTTP 3.1. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, so now, okay, guys. Okay, if you see here, normally, so okay, so we are installing Hortonworks. So HTTP 3.0.0. Yes or no? Or 3.1.0 now?
3.1.0, sir.
We are installing 3.1.0, right? Uh, 3.1.0. Okay. So HTTP 3.1.0. So here again, okay, so this will contain okay Hortonworks UI software and Hortonworks stack also. Okay, HTTP stack also. Okay. In case of Cloudera, the UI software version and the stack version both are same. Correct or not? Okay. But when it comes to Hortonworks, the UI version is 2.7.0. Okay. The stack version what we are using is 3.1.0. Okay. So again, inside this stack, okay, you have different tools, and these tools will have different versions. Okay, but HTTP stack version is 3.0. UI version is 2.7. Okay. If you want to understand what is the UI version we are using, you can take from here. Admin about. If you click on about, what is the UI version we are using? 2.7. This is the UI version we are using. Understood, guys? Okay. So in Hortonworks, okay, when I say Hortonworks HTTP 3.1.0, this is the stack version only. We say final version. Okay, but this version will have a less UI version. It is not the same UI version. Okay. Okay, what I'm trying to say here in Hortonworks, okay, UI version is different and stack version is different. Okay, the stack version is the final version here, what normally called. Okay, so here also you can see that. Okay, so this is the one. So now
the UI version is same for all the versions, sir, in the Hortonworks.
Huh?
The UI version is common for
no. Okay, see, if you go next level, okay, let's say okay, 3.1.4, maybe UI version is 2.7.5.
Okay, fine.
Like that. Okay, when okay, normal version is increasing, stack version is increasing, automatically UI version also will increase.
Okay.
Got it. Okay, now it is asking. Okay, so you want to use public repository, RK, you want to use local repository. Public repository means we don't have access, right? Okay, we need license and all. So no public repository, let us go with the local repository. Okay. Now, okay, so here it is asking which OS you are using. Okay. So just remove all those things. We are using Red Hat 7, Red Hat 7 Arc CentOS 7. This is the OS we are using. You can remove everything. Okay. So here you need to provide the base URLs. Okay. So okay, except Red Hat 7. So now this is the base URL name. Okay, URL pointing to 121 machine only. Okay. So then GPL version is this one. GPL is this one. Okay. Utilities version is this one. Okay. Click on next. Click on next. When you click on next, okay, now it is asking, okay, tell me what are the host names where you want to install Hadoop. So here h1.hadoop.com. Okay. h1 to h4. h2.hadoop.com, h3.hadoop.com, h4.hadoop.com. Okay. Then, okay, so it is asking, okay, enter your SSH private key. Okay, if you remember, we already created a private key for this one. Okay, so for this, okay, in html.hadoop.com machine, you need to put this command. So you need to copy from begin, okay, to end. Everything should be there. Okay, the begin lines, end line should be there. Okay, it is there. And okay, what is the SSH user account? Okay, so this is HTTP user. HTTP user. Okay, that's it. Okay, we have given everything. So we have given all the names, and okay, we have given the private key, like how to log into these nodes and using which user we need to go. Okay, all these things we have given. You click on register and confirm. Okay, now what it is installing? It is installing agent case. Now the Ambari server also, as a first thing, what it is doing, it is installing agents. What are agents? Which agents? These are all Ambari agents. Ambari agent. Okay, it is installing Ambari agent. So wherever we have, it is installing Ambari agent here. Okay, Hadoop software is not installed. Okay, but Ambari agent software is getting installed now. Okay, if you want to know, you can click here. Okay, so what software it is installing? Like you can set up agent PY running agent script. Okay, so in 2 nodes it is successful, and it is still installing in 2 more nodes. And again, okay, here I have given some steps. If the installation is failing due to certificate error, you need to execute this command. Okay, if the installation is failing due to SSL errors, you need to execute this command. If the installation is failing with repo issues, you need to execute this command. Okay, so but okay, here luckily, okay, everything is successful. The installation did not fail. Okay, we will see if it is failing in future. But okay, however, okay, you remember certificate error, SSL error, okay, and repo issue. So if there are some bugs in the installation scripts, okay, you will get the you will get these issues. But at this moment, okay, we did not get any issues. Okay, we did not get any issues. So now install agent in each and every machine. The agent also started the agent also, and the agent started sending heartbeat to server. So now everything is green. Okay, now it is checking all the machines whether they are as per the autonomic standard or not. Whether okay, we installed all the prerequisites or not, it is checking everything. Okay, so it checked everything. Okay, so now click here to see the result. Okay, now you see, guys. Okay, it has done so many steps. Okay, so many checks like Cloudera. It has done so many checks. Okay, finally it found 0 issues and 0 host. It means, okay, so our VM we created very well. Actually, our base VM. Okay, so the same base VM is helping for Hortonworks also. It means, okay, in real time, even if you want to install Hortonworks cluster, Cloudera old cluster, Cloudera new cluster, you can use the same base VM prerequisites. Okay, so now it is asking. Okay, so when you see Hortonworks, guys, okay, Hortonworks will have a lot of tools here, lot of tools. Okay, now it is asking, what do you want to install? Okay, let us select only HDFS, Yarn. Okay, so one extra thing, okay, mandatory thing, which is Tej. Okay, and Zookeeper. Where is Zookeeper? Zookeeper. Okay, so one thing, Ambari metrics also, which is important. Ambari metrics also. Okay, so you know what is SDFS, storage layer. Okay, you know what is Yarn, processing layer. Okay, and you know what is Zookeeper. Okay, but Tej is another execution engine. Okay, which I will talk about this one. Okay, then okay, I added Ambari metrics. What is this Ambari metrics? In Cloudera, we have Cloudera management services there, right? Supporting softwares for UI, supporting services for UI, host monitor, service monitor, those things. Okay, so such things actually. Okay, so Ambari metrics. Okay, click on next. Proceed anyway. Okay, so now it is asking, okay, where you want to have your secondary name node, where you want to have your primary name node, where you want to have timeline server. Okay, where you want to have resource manager. Okay, where you want to have timeline server version 2. Okay, so here where you want to have Yarn DNS registry server. Okay, so where you want to have S3 server. Okay, HN2. Okay, where you want to have Zookeeper. So HN2, HN3, HN4. Okay, Zookeeper. Okay, Grafana. Okay, HN3. Okay, matrix collector HN3. Okay, activity analyzer HN3. Activity explorer also HN3. Okay, HST server HN3. Or make it HN4. Okay, so make sure that okay, the services are scattered across all these things. Okay, so now I have given everything. Click on.
Sir, what is Grafana?
Okay, I will explain, sir. Okay, so this is a UI, I mean dashboard UI for metrics. Okay, click on next. Now it is asking, okay, tell me who are all your data nodes. Okay, so these are my data nodes. They are my data nodes. Who are all your node managers? These are my node managers. Okay, who are all your clients? Client means edge nodes, which are your edge nodes. Okay, you can select. Okay, but I am selecting. Okay, at this moment I am selecting all these things, but real time. Okay, so if it is edge node, you will select only client. Understood? Okay, but at this moment I'm selecting everything. Okay, click on continue. Okay, so now it is asking. Okay, you're going to use Grafana admin. What is the password you want to give? Okay, give the common one, guys. Okay, I'm giving welcome one. Okay, so that you will not forget. Okay, welcome one. Okay, even Activity Explorer admin, I'm giving welcome one. Okay, welcome one. Okay, so click on next. Now it is asking. Okay, tell me what are the data directories. Okay, so MNT disk one data. Okay, comma MNT disk 2 data, comma MNT disk 3 data. Okay, these are the data directories. Okay, name directory MNT disk 1 FS image. Okay, this is for FS image. Okay, MNT disk 1 secondary name node. Okay, this is the secondary name node. Okay, what next? Log directory is also fine. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, so HDFS data directories are fine. Okay, so then okay, go to Yarn. When it comes to Yarn, what we need to do? Log directory is also fine. Okay, then map reduce also. This is also fine. Okay, Tej also fine. Okay, Zookeeper we need to change. Okay, this is MNT. Okay, disk 3. Data. Okay, so log directory also. Okay, log directory is that related with the where log only. Okay, this is data directory. Okay, so when it comes to Ambari metrics, yes. So all are fine. Okay, so we have given these things. We click on next. Okay, so now it is asking use Ambari to manage the groups. Okay, so these are the service accounts which I will talk about this. Click on next, just next. Okay, now it is asking. Okay, give the advanced these things, advanced settings actually. Okay, so when it comes to advanced settings, okay, what and all advanced settings we are giving? Okay, so here also this is fine. Okay, so here also this is fine. Okay, so in this place, so what I will do, I'll show you some more advanced settings. Advanced. Okay, so this is and all fine. Okay, when it comes to yarn, okay, we need to change actually. Okay, so here and okay, you need to change those properties. Okay, what are the properties? Otherwise, okay, you change here itself, settings itself. Okay, what is the memory allocated for all containers and a node? Okay, so you need to talk about this one, advanced. Okay, because
Sir, what is the use of Tej, sir?
I'll explain. So explain. Okay. Mm, okay, okay. Okay, there are some properties which we have given. You remember this? There are some properties which we have given. Okay, so for Apache Hadoop, we'll give the same properties. Okay, we'll see. Where is this one? Apache Hadoop. This one. Okay. So these properties, what I will do? Okay, let us try to add these properties, and we'll see. It's already defined in the configuration file. Huh? Okay. So here maximum allocation. Okay, let us go up to. So I have 13 GB, right? Okay, 13 out of 13 GB, how much this can use? Okay, 10 GB this can use, let's say. Okay. 0 to 4 0. Not a number, no? And 216. And 216. Okay, maximum content size is 4 GB. Okay, so course, okay, maximum 2, minimum 2. Number of virtual course. Let it be 3 course, minimum course, maximum course. Okay, fine. So you make sure that okay. Okay, you leave this as it is.
16 GB we need to.
No, you leave as it is, okay, based on your requirement. Yes, okay. Maybe I'm changing it here, but okay, you leave it as it is. Okay,
Okay.
as it is, leave it. Okay. Okay, you leave this advanced settings as it is. Okay, click on next. Click on deploy. Now what it is doing, guys, it is installing Hadoop. Okay, so now this is what the step it started. Step. This is what it is doing now. It is installing. Hey, it got failed. Why? Okay, so it got failed with the repo issue. Okay, when it failed with repo issue, okay, I have given some instructions. If you remember, I have given some instructions here. Okay, if anything is failed with repo issues, what you need to do, you need to execute these commands. If installation is failing due to repo issues, follow these machines. Okay, so these things in HA machine. In HA machine, restarting Ambari server. Here guys, okay, so
హలో ఎందుకు ఫెయిల్ అయింది సార్ ఎప్పుడు
okay, there's a bug here. Okay, in this version of release, okay, there is a minor bug. Okay, so that's the reason it failed with repo issue. Okay, so now okay, so here admin. Okay, I have restarted now. Okay, it came from starting. This
Sir, when I am starting this Ambari server, initially, I am getting command not found. Sudo Ambari server setup that Java set.
one second, sir, 1 second. It is again failing. No specified directory. So Ambari is there in all the 5 machines. Okay. Stable report are there in all 5 machines so far. Retry, give a retry. It's going to create. Yes, it's created now. Ambari has report created. I guess it should work now. I guess it is working now. If you execute that command, automatically it will work, guys. Nothing to worry. It's a bug in this software. Understand? Maybe if you are installing the same version in real time also, you'll get the same bug. Yeah. Tell me, sir.
Yes, sir. Actually, when I am giving this sudo Ambari server setup, that Java part, I'm
Okay.
getting command not found.
Which machine you are trying?
This one only, sir. 3.0.
No. In which machine? HA machine?
HCM machine. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then a Ambari server is not installed, sir.
Oh, so I need to try in which machine, sir? This.
In that machine only, but the previous steps are not completed. That is the reason you're getting this issue.
Oh, okay, sir.
You need to run yum install, then.
You need to do yum install first. Okay, so it looks like okay, this is working now. This is working now. Yes, this is also working. Yeah, so this is working because okay, you all already seen that okay, it started working. So this may take some time, guys. This may take some time. Okay, we need to be patient.
Sir, you changed the document now, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, as per your experience, you know that what are the errors and what are the flaws. Okay, that is with your experience. And how come we know that, sir?
Sir, okay, even okay, myself also, okay, whenever okay, so let us take the same version, sir. Okay, when I'm installing for the first time, okay, I felt that okay, it will go successfully in the class. Okay, so I installed. Okay, it failed. Okay, I tried to troubleshoot this by following some blogs actually. Okay, some websites, but I didn't get much help. Okay, then I told okay, guys, okay, let's stop the class today. And okay, then okay, I gone through the Cloudera community. Okay, and okay, so somewhere okay, I found the solution for this one somewhere in one place. Okay, so I applied that solution and okay, I'm able to fix it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Keep
that's
on
only.
tried.
Only thing is that when something wrong, okay, so you need to understand in which direction you need to search. Okay, what you need to search.
Okay.
That will come with experience, sir. Even recently also, okay, for Hadoop 3.3.0 when we are installing, it is not supporting zookeeper version of 3.4.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we installed 3.6 or 3.7, correct?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, again, that's a compatibility issue. So I searched in the internet, okay, I found that solution. Okay, so I implemented and it worked out. Got it.
Yeah, sir. Yes.
Sir? Hello,
Yes, sir.
sir. You're cloning the based on, I mean, base mission in the real time. Also, same thing they will do, sir.
Yes.
Create one base mission. They will clone
Yeah.
using that.
They create one machine, sir, base machine, and they'll clone it in all the physical servers
Okay, sir.
using software.
Sir, work from office started, sir, Bangalore.
Of course, yes. Tomorrow I need to go to office. For you?
Not at start. Not started.
Not yet started, huh? You're lucky fellow then.
There is no update.
Okay. For our company, they're asking their colleagues. But normally, whenever I say I'm seeing this trend from last 2 years. Okay, so whenever my company ask employees to come to work, okay, maybe in a 10-15 days, okay, one wave will start. But this time, okay, I'm not sure.
What they confirm, sir? Is there any hybrid model or?
Yes, sir. Like weekly 2 days.
Okay.
That's one model. Like other model, like they are planning is you come for entire 1 week.
Okay.
Entire 1 week, all 5 days you come, and okay, rest 3 weeks you work from home.
That is also good.
That's also good. Okay, people can go to their native after 1 week.
Yes, yes.
That's also good, but yeah, need to see.
Sir, new baby is ready, sir. Yesterday only we have seen the news.
Yeah, that's what people are saying, sir. Okay.
Yes,
South Korea, China, and all looks like they are in lockdown.
they are in love. Yes.
Yeah. Just 1 second, I'll be back. 1 second. Yeah, I'm back, guys. So looks like still installation is going on.
Yes, sir. It will take some time, I think.
Yes, sir, actually. Okay, so it will take time.
So nowadays openings are very less, sir. Even I'm not getting any call earlier. Some 1 month ago I was getting lots of calls, sir. Is there any reason, sir?
I'll tell you. Okay, so normally, okay, so we should understand the trend also, sir. When you will have interviews. Okay, normally, okay, 90% of the companies they give hike in March. Sir, no. And then, yeah, okay, so in March, okay, they give hike plus bonus. Sir, no. I don't know about other companies. Okay, normally quarterly basis, even okay, TCS and all, okay, they give this variable pay. Bonus means variable pay. They give, right? Okay. So this is the trend. Okay. Most of the companies follow. Some companies will give hike in June. Okay. Some in June, September and all. Okay. That's a different scenario. Okay. But okay, 90% of the companies, okay, they give hike in, or they announce hike in March. Okay. So who will leave the companies again in March? Will anybody leave companies in March normally?
No, sir, after getting
Yeah.
bonus and hike, they will change.
And okay, so let's get hike and okay, take the bonus and then try. Correct. So mostly from February 15th, okay, from February 15th to okay, March 31st, okay, you will not have any resignations normally. Okay, understand? Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay. So whatever recruitment happened so far, that is to replace the people who resigned before.
Okay.
Okay, understood? Who resigned before? Okay, so now, okay, from last 1.5 months, mostly there were no resignations. Okay, now after 31st, after taking this hike and bonus, they'll slowly people start looking out. Yes or no? Okay, so definitely March, say April 1st to April 20th, normally a dry period. April 1st to April 20th, okay, is a dry period because okay, this is the time where they start. Okay, they'll be waiting for March 31st when I will get salary, when I will get the bonus. Okay, when I will get new appraisal letters. Understand? Okay, once they are ready, they'll start in April, and they'll start. Okay, and this year the expected, okay, after hikes, the expected what is the resignation percentage is around 13% from each company. This is what the expectation from companies now. Understand? If I have 1,000 people, okay, at least okay, 130 people will resign and go after April. That is what the companies are also ready for the recruitment now. You got it?
New openings will not exist.
Sorry?
New openings.
New openings, okay. Normally, see, the budget will come in January and all, right? Okay, January itself, they decide. December itself, they decide for next year budget. Okay, new positions and all, okay? Yes, okay. So, yes, if there are any new positions required in this month, okay. So, you will have 1 or 2 calls, that may be for new positions. But, okay, so after April 20th, definitely you will see some growth in the calls and all. This is not only for Hadoop, this is for any technology, industry trend, market trend otherwise.
Maybe we will getting call in May month.
You will get, okay, maybe after April 15th, okay, you will start slowly getting the calls.
Yes, sir.
Some people will not resign also. They get offer, they'll not resign now. You got it. They'll resign after April 1st.
Correct, sir. Second quarter is almost we won't be getting call.
Yes.
Third quarter we will expect, third and fourth quarter.
Hmm. So okay, mostly this is not okay, configured there, sir. See, for me, when I click on this one, okay, I'm getting this one. Correct? Okay, for you, it is not getting. It means okay, you're not copied properly.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So which one I didn't copy properly? I didn't get, sir.
I told you, right? Okay, say even okay, CD, R, HTML, okay. Here, okay, even this words also should be saved.
Okay, sir.
Just check, okay, how you have given. Even don't give even one extra space also.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yeah, got it, sir.
Okay, so looks like the installation is completed. It slowly started starting all the services phase. So now almost like a 75% completed on average.
Sir, my one question regarding placement and all, sir.
Ah.
Can I ask it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, like for when I was in other technologies like cloud and all those things, so I used to work in big giants kind of IBM and all those things. But
Okay.
now, look, sir, I am getting lots of call from small companies, sir. Uh, how to think that whether it is joining a small company are safe or something like that, sir? How we
Sir,
figure it
tell
out?
me one thing. What is safe, sir, in this in this days, in this time?
And nothing is, sir, but at least some big
Okay,
giants.
where you are getting more money, you go there, sir. Very simple.
IBM or TCS or some big giants like Oracle, those
Sir,
are like
okay. Will IBM or Oracle, okay, write and give you saying that, okay, hey, sir, okay, I will not terminate you, or okay, I will not release you from my company for next 5 years. Will they write and give it to you?
no, no, sir. But at least they will have projects, right, sir? That's what my concern is.
Okay. See, this is dynamic world, sir. Now, okay, the world has become more and more dynamic, I would say. Okay.
Yes,
Now, people are not interested, okay, to sit in one place. If you are sitting in one place, okay, people treating you like, okay, you're a waste fellow. Seriously, I'm telling you.
correct, sir.
Okay?
Correct, sir. Really, sir. Correct.
Second thing, okay. So people who are sitting continuously in one company, okay, they are not getting good hikes also.
True, sir. True.
Okay. So you need to rotate yourself. Then only you will grow. Okay. You will learn many things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you sit in one place, okay, so, sir, 2 years is a good number, sir. Okay. Now, 2 years in one company is a good number. Okay. Once you are done with 2 years. Okay. Until unless, okay, you have complete flexibility in your company. Okay. And you are completely happy with your salary, or you are completely satisfied with your take home. Okay. So then, okay, you can stay there. Otherwise, okay, jump. No company will write and give you. There are many companies, okay, who terminated people during Corona crisis,
Correct, sir. Correct.
first wave and all. Okay, it didn't come in the what is the news also. Many companies, okay, they just did in the behind scenes background.
Correct, sir. Correct.
Okay, so there is no guarantee for the job anywhere in the world today. Okay, so wherever you are getting money, you run behind money and earn money. Okay, and okay, retire soon. Otherwise, okay, in this competitive world, okay, working for a long time is really difficult.
Correct, sir.
Maybe
Correct.
see, this is my mindset, sir. Okay, maybe I may be wrong. Okay, in
Yes, sir, you are sir, very true, sir.
in some others perception. Okay, but I think like this actually. Okay, so
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for guidance. Actually, I was not taking calls from small companies
no,
earlier.
sir, you take it, sir. There only you will learn a lot.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you need to go to small companies. Okay, work like donkey. Okay.
Hmm.
Work like donkey for 1 year. Okay, don't be there. Okay, for many times also. I mean, many days also. Okay,
Okay.
max 1 year. Okay, so they'll give you complete flexibility to learn.
Okay, sir.
You learn. Okay, then okay, with that, okay, you try in good company, very good companies, not good companies.
Okay, sir.
Some product based, okay, where okay, you can live with some peace of mind
Okay, sir. Thank you.
with good salary. That's what you need to do. So you should use small companies like a stepping stone for your success, next level.
Okay, sir.
Don't ignore small companies. Okay, guys. Okay, so now come back to the installation part. Okay, yes. Okay, this is completed. Click on next. Complete. Okay. So now you can see the Ambari UI, guys. Ambari UI. Okay. But unfortunately, Ambari UI is very, very, very basic UI. Only you can see 3 colors and few graphs. Okay. So if you see Cloudera Manager, okay, they are getting money on Cloudera Manager. Correct or not?
Yes,
See
sir.
Cloudera, they're getting money, a lot of money. Okay, because okay, Cloudera Manager is a licensed one. Okay, so customers are paying a lot of money. Okay, for Cloudera Manager, so they improved a lot. But okay, in case of Hortonworks, okay, is Ambari getting any money? Okay, so Ambari is free here. Ambari, Hortonworks UI. It's completely free. Okay, so it means okay, Hortonworks is not getting any money on UI. So that is the reason okay, they did not concentrate too much on UI part. So very basic UI you can see here, very basic UI. Okay, so we'll see the different options of what we have in Ambari also today. Okay, so click on, okay, so this is the place. Okay, so can you see this picture, guys? Okay, so it looks like, okay, Ambari. Okay, so what is Ambari normally? Huh? See this picture, guys, Ambari picture, how it is. What is this?
Kind of temple, sir, looks like.
What is
Yeah,
Ambari? This see
tomb.
Mysore. Okay, so this is called Ambari. With elephants they do, right? During Dasara time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is Ambari. Okay, the same symbol they used because okay, Art and Works founder is a Kannadiga from Mysore. Understood? So that's the reason. Okay, many of the Art and Works tools are like with Indian names. Stage. What is Stage? It's an Indian name, right? Okay. So so when you click here, okay, so this is the first screen. Okay, and you can see very basic UI. Okay, only with 3 colors: RGB. Okay, red, green, blue. Okay, that's it. Okay, no more colors here. Okay, so first, okay, so click on dashboard. Click on dashboard. Okay, so when you see the dashboard, okay, you have different options here. Okay, so here services. Okay, so next to services there are 3 dots. Okay, here, okay, so not many options here. Okay, add service. Okay, if I want to add extra service, click on add service. Now you can see, okay, there are different services here. What service you want? You want to add scoop. Click on next. Okay, so where you want to add? Okay, I want to add in these 2 nodes. Click on next. Okay, so click on next. Proceed anyway. Deploy. So now I'm adding scoop in these 2 machines. Okay, so this is okay, you'll be adding, but okay, in future, okay, I will show you how to add more and more services here. How to add more and more services here. Done. Okay, so complete. Okay, so now we added one extra service, scoop. Again, it's a client. That is the reason okay, you don't have a symbol like this. Okay, so apart from that, okay, start all. You know what is start all? Start all the services in the cluster. Okay, stop all the services in the cluster. Okay, so stop all means it will stop all the services. So it is okay, stop all the services in each machine. It is stopping matrix monitor here, name node. Okay, so in this machine it is stopping all these services. In this machine it is stopping all the services like this. Okay, so stop all means stop entire cluster. Start all means start entire cluster.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, in real time, in which node, in which service you have to create all the information we get from our PLs or managers, sir, or randomly?
Sorry.
I mean, you're installing Zookeeper services or Tej
Yeah.
services in
Yes,
different
sir.
nodes, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
in real time, how you know in which node you have to install these services?
So that will be decided by architect, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So, no,
it will be decided by architect. Okay.
depends upon
Sir,
document.
even directories, the architect will tell in disk 1, this logs, that log, or admin will decide logs where logs will go.
Awesome. Everything will see. Normally, we go with the default directories, sir. We don't we don't customize the log directories and all.
So they will just tell this host name and this daemon. That's it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Got it. So, sir, they will provide a document or that this is the like this daemon this, or how will we do it?
They will provide the document. Okay. So what do you mean? So they'll ask. Okay, I want. Okay, so these services. Okay, in these nodes, they will tell us. We need to select as per that.
Okay, sir. Yeah, got it.
Okay. So now, okay, let us click on start all. Okay, so now it is starting all the services. Okay, in each machine it is starting, and okay, while starting also, first it will start with the zookeeper, then okay, STFS, then yeah, it comes like that. Okay, so guys, okay, for your understanding, what I have done, okay, in between, like I made some configuration changes. Okay, so you are seeing some symbol like this. It means okay, so we need to restart these services. So when you make a configuration changes, immediately it will ask, okay, you made some configuration changes. Okay, it should be restarted. Okay, so it is starting all the services here. Let it start. Okay, apart from that, okay, restart all required. What do you mean of restart all required? Suppose, okay, now, okay, how many, if you see here, case, how many services okay, we added in this cluster? So STFS, YAN, MapReduce, Stage, Scoop, Zookeeper, Metrics. Okay, so total 4 plus 4, total 8 services. Okay, but I want to start, okay, so, but out of 8 services, okay, 3 services only. Okay, because of a configuration change, these services only required to restart. Okay, so now when you click on okay, restart all required, then it will restart any okay all the services which are having with this symbol. It will not restart entire cluster, so it will restart only the services with this symbol. Okay, that is called restart all required. And download client configuration means it will download all the core site STFS site XML, YAN site XML, all those client configuration files. Okay, it will download. Okay, very few options. Okay, but if you see Cloudera, okay, at the cluster level, how many options we have? Almost like 10-15 options we have. Okay, but Hortonworks, as I told you, it is like very basic UI, so it will have very less options actually. Okay, so this is about services. Okay, this is about cluster level options. Okay, now go click on service level. When you click on service level, okay, so what it is saying, okay, so here okay, we have one name node, one secondary name node, okay, and 3 data nodes. Okay, so 3 data nodes we have. Okay, we have one name node, one secondary name node, and 3 data nodes. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, but here summary means this will give you total complete summary about your okay how many name nodes we have. One name node, it is started. We have 3 data nodes. Okay, we all 3 data nodes are started. Okay, 0 journal nodes, 0 gateways. Okay, so then heat maps. Okay, we don't use heat maps. Okay, configuration. Okay, so if you want to make any configuration here, okay, you can come and change it here. Okay, you can come and change it here. This is advanced configuration here itself. Okay, you can see what is the replication factor. So if you don't understand, you can tell. Okay, so you can type what is the replication. Okay, type automatically it will show you. Okay, block replication, maximum replication. Okay, understand. Okay, then checkpoint time. Checkpoint time I have changed it to 900. Okay, it means okay, 50 every 15 minutes I'm delaying. Okay, so like this. Okay, so trash interval 360. Okay, so like this. Okay, you can see the properties about STFS. Okay, and these are some metrics, some basic graphs about your services, STFS services. Okay, but here, okay, so here if you want to open name node UI, you can click on name node UI. Okay, and this will open name node UI. Okay, so this is the active name node. Okay, and okay, if you see Hortonworks Hadoop, okay, it is along with colors. Okay, it is 100% same to Apache Hadoop. Okay, so it is 100% same to Apache Hadoop. Okay, so no changes at all. Data nodes. Okay, so including colors. Okay, everything is same. Everything is same. Understood? Okay, so no changes at all here. Okay, but now okay, we need to see. Click on actions. Okay, so when you see actions, okay, here you will have some actions. Okay, start. What do you mean of start? Okay, I selected a service and start. Okay, it will start all STFS services. Stop. It will stop all STFS services. Restart all. Restart all STFS services. When I say STFS services, what and all will come under STFS, guys? STFS means storage layer. A name node, data node, secondary name node will come here. Okay, so then restart all name nodes, data nodes, and secondary name nodes. Restart data nodes. Okay, yes, okay. These are all okay. Very simple UI options. Okay, I no need to explain also here. Restart data nodes. What does it mean? So we have 3 data nodes. It will restart all 3 data nodes. Move name node. What is this move name node? Yesterday I told you, right? Okay, in Cloudera we have same option is called as migrate role. Okay, so if you want to move name node from one machine to from old machine to new machine, you can use this option, move name node. Okay, move secondary name node. Okay, so in this, okay, one good option is that I can enable name node HA. Click on enable HA. Okay, so now it is asking, tell me what is the common name for both the name nodes. Okay. My cluster. Okay, click on next. Now it is asking, okay. So tell me, okay, so one name node is running here. Where do you want to keep additional name node? I want to keep it on HN4. Okay, so what are your journal nodes? Okay, so my journal nodes are HN1, HN2, HN3, HN4. Okay, so these are my journal nodes. I want to put my journal nodes here. Okay, I can keep it in HN1. So these are my journal nodes. Okay, so wherever zookeeper is there, zookeeper. Okay, so I'll put journal nodes here itself. Journal nodes. Click on next. Okay, so now it is asking where you want to put the journal nodes. Okay, inventory, disk to generate. Okay, click on next. Now it is asking. Okay, so go to this, log into this machine HN1. Okay, and run this command. Log into HN1 and run this command. Okay, and run this command. So it is entering safe mode, enter. Okay, after that, create namespace. It means okay, create checkpoint. This is what it is asking. Yes, checkpoint is completed. Okay, then okay, you need to wait. Checkpoint is created. Click on next. Yes, okay. You remember, okay, the same operation, enable high availability, name node high availability in Cloudera. We just told, okay, like, okay, what is the new machine for name node and okay, what are the journal nodes and properties. After that, okay, it performed all the steps automatically, right? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Cloudera.
Yes, sir.
But okay, when it comes to Hortonworks is not a fully automated UI like Cloudera. It is like a semi-automated UI. Okay, that is the reason, okay, for each step, okay, it is asking me some inputs. When it comes to Cloudera, I told, okay, what is my extra name node? What are my journal nodes? That's it. Okay, click on next. It has done a call. It performed all 21 steps, and finally, it has given me a message saying, your name node availability is successfully completed. But here it is not the case. It is asking me log into this machine and execute this command. Log into this machine, execute this command. So that's what it is telling. It means, okay, it is not a fully automated UI. And I told you the reason also why they have not fully automated. They are not fully automated. The reason is, okay, they are not getting any money out of this one. It is a completely free UI.
Means here we need to execute commands also, sir, right?
Of course, yes. Okay, if you are using Hortonworks, so you may have to use command line many times. Okay. Okay, so click on next. Now it is asking, okay, so log into the same HN1 and execute this one. You know what is this command? Initialize shared edits. This is command to initialize the journal nodes. But all these steps were done automatically by Cloudera. Journal node initialize. Click on next. Now it is starting the zookeeper. Okay, so start name node. Yes, it is done. Click on next. Now it is asking, okay, log into HN1 and run this command. format ZKFC. Okay, you know all these commands, guys. What is this format ZKFC and all? Okay, then it is saying log into HN4, run bootstrap standby. Okay, log into HN4, run bootstrap standby. You know what will happen if you run bootstrap standby also. Okay. Just name not started. Name node is not started. Okay, no, it will not work. Hmm. Okay, now it is. Yes. Name not started here. So this one looks like this is also started. We have only one active name node, okay, but it is a second name node is it is still with us Name is not started in HN4. Need to wait for 97 times.
So that is DFS or again HDFS?
Now we will see. Manually I started. Yeah. It says okay, it is started now. Started, name not started.
Sir, so far we have not utilized Java much, but we were telling earlier that you were telling that do we require Java in as admin?
Java is required for developers, sir. Are we developers?
No, sir. No, we are just maintaining the cluster. Sir.
We are the people who maintain the cluster. Okay, we are not developers.
Okay, sir. What about, sir, automation? Means we will utilize some other scripts.
Yes, yes. Okay. Done. This is completed. Done. Okay. Now you can see you have total how many name nodes. Now you have active name node, you have a standby name node, you have 2 failover controllers, and you have 3 data nodes, 3 journal nodes. Yes or no? Okay, is it like okay? Normal Hadoop cluster with high availability now. Active name node, standby name node. Okay. Now okay, we enabled high availability. After that we will see. So now restart journal nodes now. Okay, you know what will happen if you click on restart journal nodes? Restart failover controllers, move name node, manage journal nodes. Okay. So manage journal nodes. If you want to add extra journal nodes, you can add extra journal nodes. Understand? Okay. So you can click on plus, then you can add extra journal node. Okay, but okay, that's fine. Okay, we are fine with the 3 journal nodes. Okay. Then okay, add new HDFS namespace. Okay, so this is not required. Run service check. When you click on run service check, okay, so this will tell you. Okay, this will check. Okay, it will do a background check of HDFS service and tell you whether HDFS service is successfully running or not. Yes, it says at H1, so it is successfully running. Okay, run service check. You know, turn on maintenance mode yesterday. So it is the same thing. Okay, to avoid the alerts, sending mail alerts. Okay, so we'll be using the turn on maintenance mode. Okay, so to avoid. Okay, so then rebalance STFS. You know what is this rebalance STFS? Okay, so then refresh nodes. Okay, so what is this refresh nodes? Normally, okay, when you update the topology, when you update the topology files, or okay, when you want to decommission nodes, okay, you will run STFS admin -, refresh nodes. Okay, that is the option. Okay, download client configuration. Okay, if you want to download STFS at core site XML, you can click on download client configuration and delete service. If you want to delete entire STFS service, you can use delete service. See, all are self-explanatory options here. Okay, so we need to work hard. Okay, we don't nothing to learn here actually. So everything restart data nodes, restart name nodes, move name node. Okay, all those things are very easy options here. So those are the options for SDFS. Okay, when it comes to YAN options, okay, again, okay, so here you have start stop. Okay, start YAN services. Okay, stop YAN services. Refresh. Okay, you don't know what is capacity scheduler now. I will explain again the performance tuning. Restart all node managers and resource managers. Restart node managers. You know what is this one? Move timeline server. Now it is running on one machine, and if you want to move to new machine, you can use this one. Move resource manager. Okay, move timeline service to. Okay, move and register DNS. Okay, so these are all like okay, moving one service from one place to other place. But okay, at this moment, okay, we have only one resource manager. If you want to enable resource manager high availability, just click on resource manager high availability. Now it is telling, okay, where is your first? Okay, it is asking, okay, this is your first resource manager. Okay, so now where you want to have second resource? I want to have my second resource manager here. Click on next. Okay, that's it. Click on next. Okay, so it is stopping the services. It is installing additional resource managers, reconfiguring and YAN site XML, reconfiguring STFS site XML, and start all the services. Okay, so with the simple next, okay, you can enable high availability. Okay, so compared to Apache Hadoop, okay, this UI is very easy, right? UIs, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll see. This might take a little bit time. Let it take time.
Is there any failover tabs are here?
Failover?
Failover node. Is there any tab like that? We are manually we iterate one failover commands.
No. But those commands still work in the command.
Backend.
Yes.
Is CDP also partial automated, sir?
Sorry?
CDP
is
also.
fully automated, sir. Fully automated again.
Okay, like Cloudera.
Yes. Okay, so what is high availability to be exact? Okay, high availability means, okay, so yes, okay. If one name node is done, okay, you will have other name node to take care of work actually. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So one resource manager is not there. Okay, so you will have another resource manager to take care of it. That is called high availability.
So which version is using, sir, in real time now? Standard version like Heart and Works.
Around 3.1.1.4.
Okay.
which I'll show you how to upgrade to that new version. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So sir, we'll work on the existing cluster which we already installed now and upgrade.
Upgrade, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
It's starting all the services now. It's almost done now. Okay. Done. Okay, complete. Okay, so now you can see two resource managers, one active standby resource manager, one active resource manager. Can you see this case? And if you want to see the resource manager UI, okay, yeah, okay. So this is a new UI they have given, okay, for resource manager. But I'll explain, okay, what is this UI. But end of the day, the concept is same. Okay, so you can see the same applications and all. Okay, but I will show you what is this new RM UI. Okay, so okay. Where is this Ambar UI? This is Ambar UI. Okay. So apart from, okay, it is asking to restart. Okay, so restart these services. Okay, so now what I will say, restart all required. Confirm restart all. Okay. So now, okay, so Jan, okay, let's see the other actions here. So turn on maintenance mode, download client configuration file, delete service. Okay. See, you have very basic options also, guys. You don't have much options again. Hortonworks like Cloudera. Okay, very basic. Okay, so this UI will help you. Okay, help you to start the cluster, stop the cluster. Okay, maybe move. Okay, some services here and there and monitor the cluster. Apart from that, okay, you cannot do any major action. Okay, activities from this UI. Okay, so now come to Tej, nothing. Okay, come to Zookeeper. So actions. Okay, so here start, stop, restart all, Zookeeper servers, run service check. Okay, so run service check means, okay, it will check whether Zookeepers are running fine or not. Then turn on maintenance mode, add extra Zookeeper server, download client configuration, delete service. So anything, okay, you need to understand. Tell me which option you don't know here. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, so Ambari metrics is the one. Okay, so which will talk about the metrics case. Okay, so here somebody asked what is Grafana, sir. So here, okay, just click on Ambari metrics and click on Grafana. Okay, so Grafana is kind of a UI. Okay, Grafana kind of a UI. Okay, which talks about, okay, so which service, okay, you want to see. Okay, so I want to see HDFS. Okay, so I want to see some graphs about HDFS data nodes. How many blocks are read? How many blocks are written? Okay, so what is the sync? How sync is happening? How the data packets are, Okay.
Sir, this is separate UI, sir.
This is a separate. This is okay. What is the Grafana
Not
UI?
inbuilt in its Ambari UI, right?
No, it is inbuilt, right? Did I install separately? No, right? As
No.
part of Autonox installation itself, okay, it got installed Grafana.
Oh,
Understand?
so in Cloudera, it's showing graphs and everything. It's,
In UI itself, actually.
yeah, in UI itself.
Exactly, sir. Okay, but in case of Autonox, okay, they have given, okay, they integrated this with some external tool which is called Grafana, open source tool.
Okay.
Okay, so this is Grafana. Okay, so you can see all the graph charts about, okay, here. And if you want to create your own graphs also, you can create if you log in as admin. Understood? Okay, so these are the different graph charts about, okay, HDFS data nodes. Okay, so in the same way, HDFS users, top users. Okay, so but at this moment, okay, we didn't perform any activity set. That is the reason all graphs are empty. Okay, so top users, okay, who are the HDFS top n, okay, who are the top n users, okay, or what are the top n operations, okay, we performed. Okay, so mkdir, okay, delete directory, set permission, set timers, times, total count. Okay, so these are the operations, okay, which are performed, okay, in recent times. Okay, understood, in last 3 hours. Okay, so this is okay. Ambari is exclusively giving this Grafana dashboard, okay, for all the charts and graphs. Okay, so apart from that, okay, so we have some smart sense. Okay, so what is this smart sense? Okay, so normally when it comes to Hortonworks cluster, okay, so how do you say that? Okay, how do you confirm that? Okay, whatever settings you have given in your Hortonworks cluster are correct. You got my point? How do you say that? Okay, whatever the settings you have given in your Hortonworks cluster, okay, those are correct. So what Hortonworks is doing? Okay, so Hortonworks is giving one smart sense, this one. Okay, so if you take license, then only you can use this one, otherwise you cannot use, because okay, if you take license, okay, you will have, okay, customer account name, smart sense ID, okay, notification email and all, okay, you will have. Okay, so normally what, okay, so enable flex subscription and all. Okay, so here, so if you have license, then only you can use this one. Smart sense is kind of a tool, okay, which will export, okay, all our logs to Hortonworks on regular basis. Okay, so that, okay, Hortonworks will have some scripts actually to test, okay, whether whatever the settings we are using in a Hortonworks cluster are good or not. If they feel that, okay, some settings are bad, they'll suggest us, hey, your cluster will get more performance, okay, if you change this property from this number to this number. Understood? Hortonworks itself will suggest us. Okay, so to upload our configuration files to them on weekly basis. Okay, so I mean, okay, on regular basis, okay, you'll be using smart sense, but smart sense will work only if you have licensed cluster. If you don't have licensed cluster, smart sense will not work.
So this feature is not free.
Not free. Okay, so got it. Okay, the next one is host. When you click on host, okay, you will see how many hosts we have. Okay, so here there is one alert here. What is this alert? Okay, so smart sense gateway status. Anyway, so we don't have licensed cluster, right? Okay, you disable this smart sense alert. Okay, so now, okay, no issues at all. Okay, host. Okay, now we have total 4 hosts. This is the IP address of each host. Okay, and this is the rack details and how many cores we have, how much RAM you have in each machine. Okay, what is the disk usage, what is the load average, and which version it is, what are the total components. Okay, so these are the components installed in HN1. Okay, so HST agent is installed, metrics monitor, name node is running here, resource manager is running here. Okay, zookeeper failover control is running here, like this. Okay, like this, on what machine, what services are running, you can see by clicking the components. Okay, well, actually, if you want to add new host to the cluster, click on add new host. Okay, so now you will come to this screen. Okay, now you need to enter the new IP address and you need to enter the SH private key and you need to give the username. Click on register and confirm. Okay, so what it will do, it will first install agent, then it will ask you to select what services you want to install on newly added machines. Okay, so it is the same process which will repeat here. Okay, So this is how you will be adding new host. Okay. And okay, selected host. Let's say I'm selecting this host. Unselected host, what I can do? Okay. Host, start all components. Host level, start all components. Stop all components. Restart all components. Reinstall failed components. On host level, okay, if you feel that any component is failed, okay, or did not install properly, you can reinstall those components. Okay. Turn on maintenance mode. This server. Okay. Turn off maintenance mode. Set track. Delete host. Okay. So these are the things, okay, so which you can do actually. So you can say set track. Okay. So for okay, first selected host, okay, set track. Okay, so I will do rack 1. I will do rack 1. Okay. And for other two, okay, I'll do rack 2. So okay, I'll do these two are rack 2. Okay. So this is rack 3 now. Rack 3. Okay. So these are the racks. Okay. So now, okay, after setting up these racks, okay, so it may ask you to refresh actually. SDFS, we have set the racks, right? Okay. So it is asking restart required. Okay, just okay. So you can restart. So here, okay, restart all required. That's it. Okay, so that is about okay setting up the rack. Okay, after that, okay, what actions you have selected host. Okay, when it comes to data nodes, start data node, stop data node, restart data node, add data node, delete data node, decommission, decommission. Okay, so these are the simple options. Okay, we have. Okay, and general nodes. Okay, start, stop, restart, add, delete. Node man, start, stop, restart, add, delete. Okay, so very basic options, guys. Okay, in the same way, unfiltered host also. Start all components, stop all components, restart all components, reinstall components, turn on maintenance mode, turn off maintenance mode. Okay, then data node start, stop, restart. Okay, node managers, general node start, stop, restart, node man start, stop, restart. Okay, so these are the basic commands. Okay, just to start, stop, all host. Okay, same properties. So host level, nothing here, nothing much here. Okay, so host. Okay, so only adding host and okay, unselected host. Okay, stop properties, start services, stop services, or restart services. Okay, that's it. Add host, delete host. Okay, those are the actions okay, we have on host level. Okay, then okay, we have alerts. Okay, so these are the alerts by default. So there are 69 alerts which are set by default by Ambari. Okay, and as usual, even okay, Hortonworks also has a capability to send mail alerts to your inbox. Understand? Okay, you can configure mail alert for this alert, for first alert, name node availability health. If this is bad, okay, to whom I need to send a mail. Okay, we can configure all those things. Okay, so these are the alert 16 alerts which are coming by default. But if you feel okay, these alerts are not sufficient, then you can create your own alerts also. You can add one alerts to Ambari UI. And okay, definitely these 16 are not at all sufficient. Okay, so if you see our cluster, okay, we have around 150 alerts. Okay, it means okay, the extra 80 alerts okay, we have created on our own custom alerts. Okay, so then cluster admin. When it comes to cluster admin, okay, so these are the different options we have. Stack and versions. Okay, when I say stack and version, this is the stack. Okay, so how many tools we have? Okay, under Hortonworks stack, okay, so we have SDFS, Yarn, okay, MapReduce, Stage, Hive. Okay, and here you can see where the status whether it is installed or not. Hive is not installed, so add services there. Okay, HBase, Big Scoop, okay, Woozy, okay, like this. Okay, if you see number of tools in Hortonworks is more when compared to Cloudera. Okay, so this is the stack. Okay, and this is the okay version actually. Okay, in what are the current installed services and what is the version of each service. Okay, so here this is the overall stack number. Okay, STP 3.1.0. Under that I have STFS which is 3.1.1, Yarn 3.1.0, MapReduce 3.0, Take 0.9, Scoop 1.4.7, Zookeeper 3.4.9. Okay, understand? Okay, so like this. Okay, so we have different. Okay, this is the stack and versions. Okay, these are the installed services and versions, and this is the overall services, overall list of services. Okay, then service accounts. What is the service account here, guys? Normally in Cloudera, sorry, not in Cloudera, in Apache Hadoop. Okay. So in Apache Hadoop, so we installed, okay, SDFS. Okay, we installed, okay, Yarn. We installed Keeper. Okay, under HDFS, what are the services we have? Name node, data node, okay, and general node, KFC. Okay, these are the services. Yes or no? Okay, under Yanaka, what we have? Under Yanaka, we have resource manager, node manager, okay, job history server. Okay, and under Zookeeper, what we have? Zookeeper server. Okay, okay, Zookeeper. Okay, now, okay, with what user ID I started HDFS services is there? What is the user ID I used to start name node, data node, gen node, ZKFC?
HDFS,
HTTP user.
HDP user, yeah.
Okay. In Yan, same HTTP user. Okay. Zookeeper, same HTTP user. Okay. So in Apache Hadoop, I started each and every service using single username. Okay. But when it comes to Cloudera or Hortonworks, okay. So if it's HDFS, okay, what is HDFS? All HDFS services will be started by a user called HDFS. This is the username. Okay. All YAN services will be started by username.
But sir, here also we gave yes sudo -u HDFS.
HDFS is a user, sir. Understood.
But sir, okay, I got it. Yes.
Okay. And Zookeeper service will be started by Zookeeper user. Okay. So like this, okay. Which service will be started by which user? You can see here. Okay. Ambari metrics collector user is AMS. Okay. Then okay, Hadoop HDFS user is HDFS. Okay. Yarn user is Yarn. Okay. Zookeeper user is Zookeeper. Okay. It means okay. So you can understand okay, which service is started by what username. Okay. In Cloudera Hortonworks, okay, not all the services will be started by single user. Okay. So Cloudera Hortonworks will create their own users and okay, it will start their okay individual separate users to start separate services. Understood? Understood, guys? So now which service? Okay, what is the user? You can see here. Zookeeper user is Zookeeper. Okay, Yarn user is Yarn. STFS user is STFS. Okay, Scoop user is Scoop. MapReduce user is MapReduce. Okay, so like this you can see. Okay, the next one is Kerberos. Okay, when I say Kerberos, so I will show you how to enable Kerberos and all. Okay, when I'm teaching you security part. Okay, so I'm not teaching because it's a separate. We need to explain what is Kerberos, how it works and all. Okay, the next one is service auto start. Okay, so if you enable auto start, okay, what are the services needs to be started on boot? On boot means okay. So when you restart the VM, okay, without Ambari, what are the services needs to be started? Okay, so here by default it's selected metric collectors. Okay, that's it, only one. Okay, so if you say okay, so okay, clients, okay, if you want to start all the clients, okay, you can click on all the clients, Yarn client. STFS client. Yeah, these things if you want to keep, you can keep actually. Okay, save. So then what will happen? Okay, when you restart your VM, all these services will be automatically started. Okay, that is auto start, service auto start. But okay, if you don't want this one, okay, so you can disable this. But okay, it will not give you any extra benefit to our cluster and all this. Understand? Understand? It will not give you any extra benefit. Okay, here. What is alert? Last checkpoint. Okay, 30 minutes critical. Okay, it will perform checkpoint, not a problem. If you want to disable, you can disable. Okay, so that is service auto start. Okay, so apart from this, what other options we have? So here, okay, you can see this is the place where you can see all the recent operations. Okay, so all the recent operations. Okay, so if you want to run in all these recent operations okay, in the background, okay, click on this one, it will run in the background. Okay, then okay, so if you have any alerts in the cluster, you can see all the alerts here. Okay, at this moment, 0 alerts we have. Okay, Then okay, we have views, Ambari views and all. Okay, so these views are not working in Ambari because okay, let me click on files view. No, okay, it creates some problem. Or it's working. Yeah, okay. So here, okay, like okay, how you can see the HDFS data, okay, in the UI in the same way in Hortonworks also, you can see HDFS data in the UI. Okay, so you can create directories and you can create a directory, you can upload any data, you can download any data, you can do anything here from the UI itself. Okay, so those are the UIs. Okay, Smart Sense view, but Smart Sense view is okay, so it is invalid because okay, this Smart Sense view will work only if you have license. Okay, so then okay, what else we have? Okay, then admin. Okay, so here about will tell you what is the version of Ambari. Okay, now Ambari 2.7.3. So manage Ambari. When it comes to manage Ambari, okay, so here versions, okay, you know which version, okay, it is installed 3.1.0. okay, and remote clusters, there are no remote clusters, okay, here. Okay, so users. Okay, so what are the users and groups? At this moment, okay, we have only Ambar user and he is full administrator. Okay, I want to add users. Okay, I will add Alan. Okay, password. Okay, welcome one. Confirm password. Welcome one. So user access. What kind of access you need to give? Cluster administrator or operator. Okay, so let us give cluster operator. Okay, you want to give access to this Ambari UI? Yes, save. Okay, so now Alan is added as Ambari administrator. He is also full administrator now. Okay, okay, so we will do one thing. Okay, otherwise edit this one. Okay, let's not give full administrator. So let's give.
Sir, we will this user creation part we will cover later also, or this is the only way to create user in cluster.
No, this is okay. To log into Ambari, sir, we will have access to log into Ambari. This is
Okay, sir, got it. So, okay, only for Ambari or
only for Ambari access.
we are doing like that. Otherwise, yeah.
Yes.
For sir, user access, the access like developer access and all for read write. So
that I will tell you, sir. That I will tell you. First, okay. I'm telling you how to set up a cluster. Okay. When I'm explaining the real-time project, I'll tell you how to onboard users. Okay. Understand? And okay, if you remember, sir, we already created some directories like SDFS, okay. Sudo -u SDFS, okay, SDFS DFS -mkdir, okay, project _ BLR. Remember, sir, okay, we created this one, right?
Not only BLR, sir, Hyderabad group, some groups.
That's what it is, sir.
The setup one.
No, here, okay, here. This one, okay. So create project specific directories and all. Okay, if let's say SDFS DFS so this is what okay we have currently. Okay, so now I'm creating the projects actually, project BLR. Okay. Okay, so okay. So now I'm changing the ownership. Okay, I'm creating Hyderabad projects and changing the ownership. Okay, changing the permissions. Then okay, I'm creating a user directory, changing the mode. Okay, accounts project. Okay, savings project. Okay, recurring project under that. Okay, loans project under the personal loan. Okay, housing loan, credit card project, insurance project. So like this, okay, you can create okay, multiple project directories. Yes or no? These are like onboarding new projects. A project on HDFS is nothing but a directory on HDFS. Correct or not? Okay. So like this, okay, you can onboard a new project, sir. Okay, but this user is like, okay, so who can access, who can log into Ambari? That is the user here. Those are the users you are adding. Understood? Okay, and okay, these are the views which are already available. Okay, so views here. Okay, you can see the views, right? File view. Okay, so smart sense view like that. Okay, apart from that, okay, we have settings. Okay, in the settings, okay, you can change the date time. Okay, so you can change the time zone, which zone you are working. Based on that, you can set the time zone. Okay, so sign out. Okay, so these are the options what we have in Autonomous space. Very basic UI.
Sir, here mail alert service where we need
mail
to
alerts,
configure.
okay? Yeah. Okay, so okay, this is the one.
Okay.
Okay, so
And one more thing, this Cloudera, we can see cluster status is green, means everything is fine, health.
yes, sir. Okay, here, okay, there is no overall cluster level status, service level. Okay, every service, okay, there is a green button here. Can you see?
Okay. So if we enable the smart sense, it's licensed, right? In real time, we can see in the smart sensor any.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In real time, okay, you'll see all the license clusters, okay, will have smart sense.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it.
Yes, sir. Fine.
Yeah.
Fine, sir.
So yes, that's all we have for Ambari, guys. Okay, so we don't have any other options also. We don't have any other options to explain also. Okay, these are the major options what we have in Ambari. Okay, but okay, the UI is very basic UI. Okay, it is not a fully automatic. It is semi-automatic UI. Okay, but since okay, you don't have more options. Okay, so the UI will work faster. Got it. Okay, but Cloudera Manager UI, okay, if you see, okay, it has, okay, it's a bulk UI actually. In case of Cloudera, okay, anything and everything can be managed through UI. But in case of Autonomous, okay, if you are using Autonomous, you should know at least little bit command line, because okay, from UI you cannot do much things apart from the start, stop, restart. Apart from these things, okay, so nothing you will do. Understand? Understand, guys? Or any questions?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so that's all I have for today. Okay, we'll stop it here, and okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow I will show you how to install new Cloudera CDP7. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah, please practice. Please practice. Yeah.
Sir, I have doubts.
Yes, madam.